You won't believe what Elon Musk said about the Tesla stock price. A Tesla stock update. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. So Elon Musk said that the Tesla stock price is too high at the moment. But that's something he already mentioned a few months ago on his Twitter tweets, that the Tesla stock price is too high. But he also mentioned that the Tesla stock price can be worth much more in 5 years. That's also because in 5 years he will sell many compact cars, this 25,000 vehicle he mentioned in the Battery Day. So it is more about the market principle of supply and demand. Tesla stocks are in high demand. That's why it drives the Tesla stock price higher. It's the same thing like the Tesla vehicles, like Tesla Model 3, etc. They are also in high demand. That's why Elon Musk has to build more gigafactories to meet this high demand. So Tesla products sells like hotcakes, and Tesla stocks also sells like hotcakes. Alright. Smash the like button. So another Tesla stock update. So the Tesla Cybertruck. In the Battery Day, Elon Musk mentioned that there were like over 500,000 pre-orders. So apparently there are about 600,000 pre-orders. So, they will produce the Cybertruck around late 2021. So not only the Model 3 or the Model S sells like hotcakes, but also the upcoming Cybertruck. So that's good news for the Tesla company. But not only the Cybertruck, but also the Tesla semi-truck. So Walmart triples the pre-orders for the Tesla Semi. And their reason to order the Tesla semi-trucks is because of its range. It has 500 miles of range. So that's something they really are attracted to. And Walmart itself plans to have 20% of their fleets as electric vehicles in 2022, so in 2 years. And Walmart plans to become like fully emission-free in their fleets in 2040. And another reason to buy, they mentioned why they buy Tesla semi-trucks is because the low operational cost. It costs like 50% less per mile when the truck drives. It's also safer, and yeah, all these features. We can have a closer look at this article. So that's what they mentioned. So because of the range, of the cost, the reducing operating costs. So I've calculated, so the operating cost is like roughly 50% less compared to the traditional gasoline powered trucks. And oh yeah, because of the speed. They are also faster than the normal diesel truck. And driver safety, like automatic emergency braking, etc. So, like literally every Tesla vehicles is in high demand. What do you think about the Tesla company? Comment in the video description below. So, Tesla also buys stakes of LG Chem or LG Chem, however you want to pronounce it. And LG Chem, they produce batteries for electric vehicles. And Tesla plans to acquire like 10% of the company. So Tesla is very serious to produce more batteries for their vehicles. And Elon Musk also mentioned that by 2030, so roughly in 1 decade, so 10 years later, their target is to sell 20 million electric vehicles a year. So in 1 year, 20 million electric vehicles. So just to give you a rough comparison, as of right now, well, as of last year, Toyota, well, the biggest car makers, Toyota and Volkswagen, they sell roughly around 11 million vehicles each. So Tesla alone will almost like outsell the current two biggest car maker. And last year, Tesla could sell only roughly like 365,500 vehicles. And currently in 2020, on July 2020, Tesla is the most valuable car maker in the world. So if you imagine that when they increase the vehicles deliveries like to 1 million deliveries per year, Tesla will be the most valuable company in the world for sure. So let's have a quick look. Any questions so far, feedbacks or comments, leave it in the video description below. At the Tesla stock price. So the ticker symbol is TSLA stock. As of yesterday, the 29th September 2020, the stock price is at roughly about $420. And the market cap is 390 billion $. So it is currently still the most valuable car maker in the world. The PE ratio is high as usual. It trades more than 1,000 times its earnings. And let's have a quick look here. 1 year ago, the stock price was at around $49. So you would literally roughly 9 times the investment if you invest in Tesla stock price 1 year ago. So the Tesla stock price target for next year, so 1 year later from now, is around $3,500. But only if Tesla is able to make profit for the next every single quarter, for the next 4 quarters. So that's one scenario. And another scenario would be if Tesla is able to make profit only 1 quarter of the 4 next quarters, then the Tesla stock price is around $1,000 if it's only 1 profitable quarter. If it's like 2 profitable quarters in the next 4 quarters, the Tesla stock price would be around $2,000, the Tesla stock price. And if they will somehow lose money, so no profit in the next 4 quarters, this Tesla stock price would hover around like $400 to $500. So the Tesla stock price won't change much. So these are the 3 scenarios, like profits in the next 4 quarters, or just 1 profitable or 2 profitable quarters. And for example, if there are like 3 profitable quarters, the stock price would be around $2,000. So that's the estimation of the Tesla stock price. For more Tesla stocks videos, check out the Tesla stock playlist and subscribe. See you next time.